Just a quick video on anyone who has the 4.7 liter V8 lifter, lash adjuster, whatever you want to call it, ticking issue. This thing was ticking pretty bad. I wish I had a video of it before. It was very noticeable. Uh, I tried a lot of different things to fix it. I tried different additives. I tried the seafoam additive, tried zinc additives. I tried high mileage oil. I tried thicker oil. And the thing that seemed to cure it, I was looking in the manual, and whoever had this before wrote down 5W20 motor oil. He put down 7 quarts. I wouldn't put 7 quarts in it because that's an overfill it. It only holds 6 quarts. But I put the 520 in it, and sure enough, it seemed to cure the problem. I was really about ready to put a new set of lash adjusters in it, but I switched to a 520, and it seems to be as quiet as it's ever run. And that's what I put in there. And I don't know, if you got a lifter, lash adjuster, ticking issue, I recommend you give it a try. That's it.